I swear, any day, if you have a bad day, you can fix it with fire. Some coals. But look at this beautiful sunset we got going on right here. Clouds and nuts. And then we got, is that a new moon? Jesus. Look at that, fire's cranking. Burning off whatever's on that grate last time. Hell yeah, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's another video. It's about 5-6 days since I last posted, and I'll tell you what, I've been in like an ultimate spin cycle. I feel like I've been in the washing machine from just all the stress and everything. But I'll tell you what, there's probably some real good content that you would want to see. It shows a lot more of the humanity side of me, but I don't want to show that because that is hell. There's genuine hell. But the massive thing is this video is even more of a win because not only have I bought a laptop for myself when, you know, me and Antonio move away, which significantly improves efficiency and when the hell we leave, but I've also got a buyer for my desktop PC. So it's a bit of a bittersweet moment and I've had to come to terms with that, but honestly, like I'm buzzing. And so now today is like a beautiful Saturday over here in the coast. I'm moving around a lot, but that's all good. Super cold, and I've noticed the ocean over the last couple of days has been like heavy as. It hasn't been like chill for the boaties or anything like that. But look at that. I'm looking to make some koftas today, so I feel like some Turkish food. If I was to buy that, they'll put me back 80 bucks. So, you know, now it's like the time where every dollar counts. Not really, but you know, I say that and then I bought like a laptop, but I've done so much research on laptops and everything too. The market for laptops is so inflated. It's so expensive. If you're looking to buy any tech, any form of tech, secondhand, I don't like talking about money and stuff like that. It just seems a little bit too shallow and materialistic, like I'm gloating. So I don't like that. So we had some premium mints. Mixed that with some spice. Bro, look at this. Plastic in my tea. It happens sometimes. And if you look at my hair, it's quite voluptuous. I gave it a blow dry last night. So, ladies, just chill out, alright? I've been having some like crazy vivid dreams lately, eh? It hasn't been scary. I need to get to work. I need to go do this. I felt like pizza as well. I don't know why I felt like pizza. I felt like pizza with pepperoni and hot honey. Yeah, I don't know why. But I feel like that hard. I think that's like after I had that meeting last week, I knew immediately, I was like, fuck, I need a laptop. Thinking about the logistics of, I was always going to buy another suitcase and then package my desktop PC to then take that away. But then it's like, yeah, I don't know. Like, the smart part of my brain was like, nah, that's not a good idea, bro. I'm like, yeah, okay. We'll do it like the Persian aunties. We'll do it up in the sky. Yeah, look at that, sticky ass. I was gonna do a bloody AMA today. Ask me anything on Instagram. I'm not sure if I want to do it tomorrow. Maybe next week. Just wanted to chill today. So I had purchased on the laptop yesterday or last night. It was like the last thing that I'd done. Tell me why. I went to sleep, got knocked out. I had like some version of sleep paralysis, but I had like, it wasn't like a nightmare, but I was like fully awake and I could see everything. And the crazy thing is like I wear a sleep mask. So my eyes are like fully shut, but I'm like, I don't know, viewing myself from a completely different like plane. 10 minutes. I had to lock in for 10 minutes to make sure the koftas didn't fall apart. I'm not Middle Eastern. Maybe I should have spent a little bit more time with my Middle Eastern friends. We got this. I'm making like a mint yogurt to go with it. I'm really sad that I don't have some flatbreads, eh? but that will be all right. 3 tablespoons, some garlic, chuck that in. Go there. Some dill will be real nice as well. It's probably like a teaspoon of olive oil, but I got mint. That's so good. That's so delicious. So in the meantime, I think I'll probably like play some Skyrim and weep over my desktop that I'm going to be selling. That was the first one I made by myself or built. Real cool process. I'm actually real happy that I built it myself because I mean, you know, building's fun. Or like making things from scratch. Like I'm cooking now, making koftas. Like that's fun. What is it about building your PC? I don't know. It's like the internal satisfaction. Satisfaction. The internal satisfaction that you get building shit from yourself. So it is a bit windy, but have a peep at this. Can't beat some fire going. I swear, any day, if you have a bad day, you can fix it with fire. Some coals. But look at this beautiful sunset we got going on right here. Clouds and nuts. And then we got, is that a new moon? What's today's date? I think it's an old moon. Or the moon's finishing up. Whoa, where am I at? Right here. And yeah, so we don't really have any veggie stuff, so Ant's going to the dairy. She's gonna go pick up some lettuce, some carrot. I'm gonna make some koftas. They look pretty good. And I don't have that much charcoal, so I'm gonna use a little bit of wood, because I got all this wood over here. That needs to be used up. What the hell? Excuse this. Get out of the way. All that wood over there. Felt like pizza. I think I said that earlier. I felt like pizza. And what's going on in everyone's realms at the moment? For me, I've been calling out the corporates quite a bit lately, eh? I made like a story on Monday. They went ballistic, eh? That was nuts. The whole thing was, I needed chicken frames for soup. After the gym, Ant runs into the shop. We get home, I'm unpacking the bag. I see 2 chicken frames, $8. And then I don't know why, but they just like sent me off and I was like, ridiculous. You want to say something to the camera?
I want to say I'm so excited for the kofta.
You're so excited for the kofta? Anything. I was saying about how, do you know the supermarket after the chicken frame incident?
Yeah.
Ant said, just watch what they do. The price of chicken frames will come down after that story because they went nuclear, right? They made a Friday, Saturday, Sunday special or a 3-day special. 1.3 kg chickens, or it's like 950 gram chickens, $4. Whole frozen chickens, $4. Whole frozen chickens with the bones and everything, yeah. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. I was gonna say go get a frozen chicken at the shop, but nah, you're going to the dairy. Okay, I'll catch you and I'll catch you later. Saturday night needs some Saturday night activities. When these come out, you just best believe I'm not doing anything else productive. So cheers to all of you watching. And cheers to beer. So tasty. Last week, I posted the video. Went to my rent's house. And my old man was being healthy. He got us some 0 carb beers. 0 carb beers, 0 alcohol beers. I don't know, it's like, I don't want to be like cliche or a purist, but you really can't beat the taste of a cold, delicious beer. I should have made something like a story about beer. Because you know, beer is a waste product as well, eh? And there's something about grilling at night that's just that much better, eh? I think it's just the vibe. Just because, look at this. Got the coals red hot. Got some wood in there too. That will catch soon. Jesus. Look at that, the fire's cranking. burning off whatever's on that grate last time. What are we doing for heat? Oh, that's okay. Give it about another 5 minutes until these big lumps just chill out a bit. Well, not chill out, but like they'll break up and they'll get hotter. Okay, so we got all our koftas. Looks pretty delicious. I'm gonna start with like the one that was the loosest and chuck it on the hottest side. So it seals up first. Telling you guys like you're gonna make koftas soon. If you are, good for you. If you're not, just enjoy. My videos are forever a vibe. Already you can smell it, eh? So in here, spices, we got cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, garlic. I don't think so. Grated onion. I can't remember. But yeah, look at this. So we got the koftas here, 4 delicious bad boys. And got some pitters at the shop. Warming them up on the coals. We're gonna be eating. This is my plate at the moment. We got a couple, what would you classify these? Pitas, shawarmas, koftas and pitas. You always gotta have the rice. I'm gonna go for a bite. And then I might as well just leave you all there. So make sure you like up the video. Comment down below anything. Sub up, share around. It's gonna help me grow like a ton. It helps me so much like you wouldn't even believe. Yeah, tasty as. Got that yogurt dressing, carrot. Yum. That's so tasty. Okay, yum. I'm gonna smash heaps of these, drink a couple more beers, and catch you all again.